pull up to the party, lose all of my body, new chick on my body, they can't tell me nothing, no, yeah.
Okay, so I already applied one layer of my Ghost Spine glue. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my second layer. This glue is a little messy, so be prepared. Well, at least mine is. Okay, so the glue is pretty much almost done drying. It's still some stuff that's going to dry, but for the most part, it's pretty tacky. The wig I'm gonna apply, I did apply yesterday. I felt like I needed more work. As you can see, I already formed the baby hairs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my foundation, just a little bit, and I'm gonna apply it to the legs. So this is my Makeup Forever Duo Matte. This is the 218, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, like this much, a little bit, and I'm just gonna apply that to my face. So we get closer. I'm just gonna apply that. So it works best for you. That sounds like so now that I have my part, just to help any flyaways, anything like that, I'm trying to help it here, can y'all see the difference? Can y'all see the difference? I'm gonna roll that back down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Smooth and Shine polishing curling mousse. It's actually my mama's, but anyways, I'm gonna apply this on my hair. Now I just washed this, co-washed this hair, and I the air dryer. So, but if you would like to, you can damp the hair a little bit, and then just apply a little water on it, and then apply. But this is deep face hair. I think I mentioned that. But anyway. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So this is what I don't think I did really a bad job. I think that I need to, of course, work on plucking a little bit more in my edges. But yeah, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. Like I said, this is deep wave hair. I absolutely love it. Tips for you if it's your first time applying, um, your frontal by yourself. Just do what works for you. You know what I'm saying? Be careful with plucking. I wouldn't cut the air tap part, of course, until it's on your head. So once you, well, first thing first, make the wig on a canvas head. What you want to do is for you, like I said, I put this thing on yesterday. I'm gonna insert a clip of kind of what it looked like yesterday. As you can tell, you will see it looks so much better than yesterday, how it looks today. Because yesterday I tried to put the wig on and then do my baby hairs and then try to go back in an extra pluck or whatever like that. But I realized that didn't work for me. So what works for me is to it comes out better looking if I customize my frontal on once after I put it on, I cut off the air tabs, put it back on the canvas head and customize it using my phone, phone lotion or whatever. That what works best for anyway, that what works best for me. So yeah, ladies, do that. So like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And y'all, don't come for me for my baby, okay? Because I'm still learning, okay? But anyways, thank you so much for watching.